Hey there, in this lesson, we'll build a simple JavaScript function to divide two numbers. But here's the twist. We'll add a custom error if the second number is 0. Why? Because dividing by 0 is not allowed in math or programming. Let's dive in and see how to implement this error-safe approach. We want to safely divide two numbers, but with a check in place. The denominator cannot be 0. So if it is, we'll throw a custom error. This helps prevent undefined or broken logic in our code. It is a good habit when writing robust functions. This function checks if the second number is 0 before performing division. If it is, we immediately throw a custom error with a clear message. Otherwise, we simply return the result of dividing two numbers. Simple, safe, and effective error handling. The logic begins by accepting two inputs. Then, it checks whether the second number is 0. If it is, we throw a custom error to alert the caller. Otherwise, the function proceeds with the division and returns the result. Here are a few examples to see it in action. Passing 8 and 2 gives a correct result. No issues there. Or passing 8 and 0 throws an error immediately. This prevents undefined results and keeps our code safe. This pattern is very useful in the real world, whether you're building a calculator or a financial tool. Division by 0 can pop up. Catching it early helps you maintain clean and bug-free code. And it's something you might even get asked in a JavaScript interview. To wrap up, we've used a simple statement to protect our division logic. If the denominator was 0, we threw a clear error message. Otherwise, we perform the division and return the result. Thanks for tuning in. See you in the next coding challenge. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.